let's talk a little bit about regular and irregular verbs. In English, we have different tenses, and the tenses are formed in different ways. So we're going to start out with a very simple example here. Regular verbs form their past tense by adding ed. So if we look at this example, the turtle walked slowly across the trail. The present tense of walked is walk, right? So to make it past tense, all we do is add an ed. Here's another example. We have the regular verb looks, or look. So we want to make look past tense. All we need to do is add ed. So if I take it into a sentence, the wine looks good in the firelight, that's present tense. If I want to go back past tense, yesterday it looked good in the firelight. So let's take a look at verb tenses in English. Present tense happens in the present. It is happening right now. So look at this examples. Joe and Bill prepare the salad. That's present tense, no ed. Prepare is a regular verb, so it's just prepare. Past tense happened in the past, and it's simple past tense. It's not still occurring, it's over, it's done with. Those are the ones that end in ed. So if you look at this example, after preparing the meal, everyone enjoyed eating. Now in this case, the verb here is enjoyed, and it's past tense because it ends in ed. We'll talk about preparing and eating a little bit later. Let's take a look at the past participle. We have the present tense, which we talked about. We have the simple past tense. The past participle for a regular verb is formed by adding ed. And the past participle basically would be used when you start something in the past tense, but it's continuing now. All right. So I'm going to take this example here. This cottage had survived many hurricanes, but is still in good condition. That's past tense. I wanted to make it present tense. I would say has survived. So the participle is the second form. So if we take the verbs we've talked about before, if I take survive, today I survived, yesterday I survived, I have or had survived. So it starts in the past but continues until now. And with regular verbs, it's just an ed at the end. All right, let's kind of sum up this regular verb. So for a regular verb, if we're going to conjugate this verb, we're going to conjugate it in the present tense, the past tense, and the past participle or the present participle, any participle form of the verb. The point is to add past tense, simple past tense, we just add ed. So take a look at this. Today I fish, present tense, nothing on the end of the verb. Yesterday I fished. We have an ed on the end of it because it's past tense. Fish is a simple verb, a regular verb, so we add the ed. The participial form of it, we add have because we have fished when it's present tense, and it's still ed. Nothing changes. So today I fish, yesterday I fished, I have fished every day this week. So that reviews verb, form, and tense for regular verbs. We're going to have a separate video that will talk about the irregular verbs.